Experiencing false alarms in your BMW 6 Series? It's a common issue that can be frustrating. These issues often stem from the interior tilt sensor, which detects vehicle movement, or the bonnet switch, which monitors unauthorized hood openings. False triggers often result from sensor faults, loose connections, or corrosion. Start by attempting a system reset. Lock and unlock the car 5 to 10 times, or disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears potential error codes. This can resolve the issue in many cases. If a reset doesn't resolve the alarm issues, inspect the sensors. Begin with the tilt sensor and bonnet switch. For the tilt sensor, look for physical damage and recalibrate using a multimeter. For the bonnet switch, check for corroded wiring and proper alignment. Replacement switches cost $20 to $50 and can be a DIY fix. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner like IMPE for older models to read fault codes from the DME DDE systems. Regularly check your key fob battery and avoid parking in extreme conditions to prevent future issues. If a software glitch is identified, it can sometimes be fixed by an independent mechanic using a cheap ELM327 adapter. Forum case studies show that many issues can be resolved at home, potentially saving hundreds in repair costs.